Are you tired of the daily grind, dreaming of a life where you call the shots and earn a six-figure income from the comfort of your own home? Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome back to our channel, where we unlock the secrets of financial freedom and reveal the most lucrative online income opportunities. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of making money online. Are you ready to learn the art of turning your laptop into a cash machine, earning a jaw-dropping $1,000 or more per day? Buckle up because we're about to unveil the top 8 proven ways to achieve this incredible feat. But before we dive in, don't forget to show us some love. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to join our vibrant community of aspiring online entrepreneurs. Let's get right into it. Imagine this: you're out and about, exploring breathtaking landscapes or stumbling upon everyday moments that possess a certain magic. Well, guess what? Those moments can become your source of income. Let me explain how it works. When you find yourself traveling or capturing those unique, yet relatable scenes, various organizations and advertisers crave precisely what you have to offer. They're willing to pay handsomely for the rights to use your photos in their promotional materials, ensuring that their messages are visually striking and compelling. And here's the cherry on top: modern smartphones are all you need to dive headfirst into this lucrative venture. With advanced cameras, some capable of recording in stunning 4K resolution, your smartphone becomes your ultimate tool for capturing those priceless moments. Among the prestigious websites where you can showcase your photographic prowess are the industry giants Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, iStock, Getty Images, Alamy, and Envato Elements. Let me tell you a secret: Etsy is not just about physical goods. It's a gateway to a lucrative universe of digital downloads, where your artistic prowess can flourish and your bank account can flourish right alongside it. So, what exactly are these captivating digital downloads? They're like a virtual gallery of customizable templates, calendars, invitations, and more. Designed by you and ready to be purchased by fellow creatives seeking that perfect touch for their special occasions. Here's how it works: when you receive an order on Etsy, it's time to unleash your creative magic. With the help of platforms like Canva, you'll customize the chosen template to perfection, ensuring it becomes a one-of-a-kind masterpiece tailored to the customer's desires. Once your digital creation is complete, you'll send them the file, and it's up to them to bring it to life. Printing, framing, or utilizing it in their own unique way. With over 200 million visitors flocking to this bustling online marketplace each month, you'll find yourself immersed in a sea of potential buyers, eager to explore and invest in the wonders you've created. The listing charge on Etsy is a mere 20 cents for each magical creation you upload. No exorbitant fees to hinder your creative journey. Plus, you have the power of free tools like Canva at your fingertips, allowing you to craft stunning, customizable templates without breaking the bank. We all possess a treasure trove of garments, and within those forgotten gems lies the key to one of the simplest and most rewarding methods of making money online. Whether you're decluttering or seeking a fresh start, selling your clothes online is the perfect gateway to unlocking your entrepreneurial spirit and lining your pockets with extra cash. Allow me to introduce you to the dazzling world of fashion marketplaces such as Poshmark, The RealReal, ThredUp, and Vestiaire Collective. These vibrant online platforms are your ticket to connecting with fashion enthusiasts who are eagerly searching for unique pieces to elevate their style. With a few clicks, you can list your items, mesmerizing potential buyers with captivating descriptions and eye-catching visuals. Now, here's the best part: you don't need to pay a single penny upfront to embark on this fashionable venture. Simply tap into the resources at your disposal, transform your closet into a goldmine, and watch as your earnings start flowing. Get ready to unlock the true potential of your second-hand goods as we delve into the exhilarating realm of selling stuff online. It's not just about clothing, it's about turning every item you no longer need into a gateway for financial success. Prepare to be amazed by the insatiable demand for used goods. Platforms like Facebook Marketplace, eBay, Craigslist, and a myriad of similar avenues offer a global stage for you to showcase your wares. You'll be astonished at how much people are willing to pay for the treasures you no longer cherish. But hold on, for those who yearn for a more tangible transaction experience, fear not. The age-old tradition of pawn shops awaits your arrival. Step into their hallowed halls and watch as experts assess the value of your items, providing you with an instant offer. Prepare to embark on a thrilling journey as we unveil 2 magnificent platforms that will propel you into the world of selling online courses. Our first stop is the remarkable skillshair.com, a sanctuary for individuals hungry to expand their skill sets. Here, you have the opportunity to create in-depth, immersive video courses that delve into the depths of your expertise. Unlike free content, these courses offer a more refined and extensive learning experience, with durations ranging from a compact 30 minutes to an epic 2-hour exploration. But that's not all. Enter the magnificent realm of udemy.com, a platform that embraces the power of long-form educational content. Here, you can create video courses that span hours, allowing you to dive deep into your subject matter, leaving no stone unturned. The learners on Udemy eagerly invest in their personal growth, willingly paying to access your comprehensive video tutorials. Now, let's talk about the best part: marketing and advertising. These remarkable platforms attract a massive audience of learners eager to expand their knowledge. You'll be astounded by the organic reach and the eager students flocking to enroll in your courses. Don't worry about fancy equipment. You don't need expensive cameras or microphones to get started. Simply harness the power of your computer screen and the convenience of your smartphone to create engaging, informative videos. The key lies in sharing your expertise, connecting with learners, and delivering a transformative learning experience. Amazon KDP, an acronym that symbolizes Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, grants you the extraordinary opportunity to unleash your creativity and craft a book of your dreams. Whether you're a fiction aficionado or a non-fiction guru, the stage is set for you to shine as an author. No more worries about facing the camera or meticulously piecing together an entire course. Instead, let your ideas flow onto the digital canvas as you embark on the marvelous journey of writing an ebook. But here's the magic: Amazon KDP offers you a platform to publish your masterpiece directly to the world. Your creation will grace the digital shelves of the mighty Amazon, reaching millions of eager readers craving your unique perspective. All you need is a trusty companion, be it Word or Google Drive, to transcribe your thoughts into captivating text. And the cover? Fear not, for we have uncovered the ultimate secret to unlocking the perfect cover design. Visit fiverr.com, where talented ebook cover artists await. Here, magic ensues as you connect with graphic designers from distant lands, who will grace your creation with an awe-inspiring cover. This enchanting service can be yours for a mere $5. Imagine this: you recommend products from brands you love, and every time someone makes a purchase through your unique link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. And here's the best part: anyone can do it, even beginners. Start by thinking about your passions and hobbies. What brands or products do you personally adore? Take those top-notch companies and search for their referral or affiliate programs online. You'll be amazed to discover that almost all big companies have these programs, waiting for enthusiastic affiliates like you. Once you join, you'll receive a personalized link that you can share with friends, family, and even strangers. Spread the word about these fantastic products through social media, text messages, or any other means you can think of. Every click on your link could lead to a sale, and that means more cash in your pocket. As you gain experience, you can take your affiliate marketing game to the next level. Create your own captivating website and write engaging blog articles about the products you love. Become an authority in your niche. When people search for those products, they'll stumble upon your website, click your link, and make purchases. It's like having a 24/7 sales team working for you. Let's dive into number 8 on our list: the captivating world of dividend stocks, specifically SPYD. Get ready to witness a simple yet rewarding option for your investments. By putting your money into dividend stocks, you'll be rewarded with regular dividend paychecks. It's like getting paid while you sleep. Now, I must mention that investing in dividend stocks requires some upfront capital. But don't worry, the returns can be truly impressive. Just imagine your money working hard for you and generating a steady income stream. It's an opportunity to grow your wealth over time. And there you have it, the top 8 proven ways to earn $1,000 or more per day online. Now, I want to hear from you. Which method resonated with you the most? Have you tried any of these strategies before? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let's start a discussion. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more money-making tips and tricks. See you in the next video.